Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had. So, first of all, these verbs that is, am, are, was, and were, these are the helping verbs, or these are also known as the being verbs. The choice of a being verb depends upon which time is being talked about, who is speaking, and the number of people being spoken about. Means the which verb will be used, that depends upon which time we are talking about, like we are talking about present or we are talking about the past. Who is speaking, the person who is speaking, the being verb is dependent upon the speaker, is dependent upon the subject, and the number of people being spoken about, the number of people, according to the number of people we will use the being verbs, like he, she, it, and singular nouns. For he, she, it, and singular nouns, in the present time, in the present case, is used, and when if we are talking about the past, was is used. For I, we use am in the present time and was in the past time. We, they, you, and plural nouns. In case of we, they, you, and plural nouns, we use are for the present time and we use were for the past time. Like now, nextly, we will see when do we use the is mr. Is, as I have already told you, is used with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Like it is a crow. It is a crow. Am is always used with I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am a student. Are is used with plural nouns and you, we, and they. Like they are friends, you are friends, you are a student, we are friends. Now we will learn about is mr. The words is mr, they are known as the action words and they are also known as the helping verbs. To use them as the helping verbs, how we use them? We use them before the ing form of the action word. Like whenever there is a word that is having ing along with it, whenever there is an action word having ing along with it, before that word we will write is am or are according to the subject. These words, that is mr, they tell us about who is doing the action or what is doing the action. Now nextly we will choose the correct option according to the sentences. Amit's friends am or are having lunch together. Now we are talking about friends. Friends is plural, so for plural we always use are, so the answer would be are. Sheila is or am going to her friend's house. Now is or am, is used for one person or singular. Sheila is a singular, so we will use is with Sheila. The answer would be Sheila is going to her friend's house. I am or are making a greeting card for my father. With I, we always use the word am. So it would be I am making a greeting card for my father. Nextly, my father's car is red or are red. Car is one in number, so it is red. Our mother's is friends or are friends. Mothers means more than one, means plural, so we will use are. The stars am twinkling in the sky or are twinkling in the sky. The stars are many in number, they are plural, so with the plural form we will use are. Now we will learn about was and were. Words was and were are the past words for is and are. Like we use was in place of is and we use were in place of are. These words, the was and were, these words are used when we are talking about the past. For talking about the past, we use the words was and were. These refer to the actions that have taken place in the past, as I have already told you, like the actions, the works that have been done in the past tense, in the past time. For that works, we use was and were. We use was with one word. Whenever there is one person, one animal, one place, we use was. And were is used with many. One is used, was is used with singular and were is used with plural. For example, Dinesh was in my class last year. Dinesh is one person, so we are using was with Dinesh. Secondly, with my friends. Many, my friends are many, so many, with many we will use were. My friends were playing outside. Now nextly we will take the correct was or were. Take the correct option, was or were, according to the sentence. Raghu was or were not well yesterday. Raghu is one person, so for one person we will use was. Dia and Sonali was or were playing upstairs. Dia and Sonali were playing upstairs. I was or were chosen to be the class monitor. I was. I am only one person, so with I we use was. It was or were cloudy yesterday. With it we always use the helping verb was. There was or were two mangoes in the fridge yesterday. Two mangoes means plural, so there were. Nextly, we will learn about has, have, and had. Now, has and have, they are used to show belongings. That means something that belongs to us. This, for example, I can say, this book is mine. This is my book. I am telling that this is my book. This is my belonging. So, whenever we want to show belonging, so we use the words has and have. It means they tell us that someone, what someone or something has. Like you have a pencil, you have a red pencil, you have a blue pen. For example, Jaya has two oranges. Now I am telling now that Jaya is having two oranges, that is two oranges belong to Jaya, so I have used the word has. Has is used for singular, have is used for plural, and along with I and we use have. I have one apple. Now, similarly, choice of belonging verb. It depends upon which time is being talked about and who is speaking and the number of people. Similarly, like as we have told, as we have done with for is, am, are, was, were. Similarly, with has is used with he, she, it, and singular. Had is used for past. Has is used for present. Had is used for past, and has is used for singulars and he, she, it. And have is used for I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. And for the past form, we use the word had. Now we will fill in the blanks using has, have, or had. The dress dash a beautiful pattern. The dress, it could be has also. We can we say maybe the dress is now. The dress, I am showing the dress to you now, or the dress may be past, like we are talking about past also, so has is also correct and had is also correct. These books dash no label on them. Books means plural, so these books have no label on them. Now had will not be there because these means we are talking about the books that are in front of us, so there we are talking about the present, so we will use the word have. We dash an important meeting today. Today means present, so we will use has or have. Have would be the answer because we are talking about many persons. Have, so we, along with we use the word have. The joker dash a funny face. The joker has a funny face. She dash any toys to play with. She has any toys to play with. I dash a headache in the afternoon. Like afternoon, the time that has gone. Might be it is the evening. She is telling you in the evening, or she is telling you in the next morning. So afternoon has gone. So it is the past. So we would write the answer as had. I had a headache in the afternoon. A week dash 7 days. This is a universal thing. Every time week has 7 days, so we will use the word has because week is one only, so we will use has. So students, this was the helping verbs. So I hope you have learned them properly. Thank you and have a nice day.